Hello friends, thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel. I hope you are fine. So guys, today I will discuss about what is digistore24.com. How can I make money from it? So let's start our video. What types of proxies would you recommend when working with social marketing on Facebook? With residential proxies, you get IP addresses that are given by internet service provides to their private users. Such proxies can be used by only one person at a time, and they continue reading. 7 answers. Online money making. Digistore 24 is an online sales platform that acts a middle man between sellers and affiliates. It is possible to register as a seller or as an affiliate. It works similarly to ClickBank and is beginner friendly. When a seller publishes his product on the marketplace, affiliates can request approval to promote these products. Most Windows use automatic approval, but for others that wait manually, affiliates should meet some requirements. When someone purchases any product through your affiliates link, you will get a commission that can vary from a few dollars to hundreds for dollars. It will depend on your niche and what you choose to promote. They have product in the categories digital products, physical products, seminars, and events. They accept new beginners, affiliates, and pay weekly. Related questions. Karina Malik, content writer and research. What is a digistore? The digistore 24 commercial center is where you should offer you computerized item, for example video, across digital books, or programming. You can utilize this stage as a merchant for your own items or as an offshoot to sell other items. How would I begin? Register at digistore 24. Select an item at our marketplace. A special connection will be created. Elevate the item to your crowd. Utilize the special connection. Begin acquiring acquiring up to 70% and more commission immediately. Can cannot afford to learn a new languages. Ricky Brural. How do I get started? Register at digistore24. Point number 2, select a product at our marketplace. A promotional link will be generated automatically. Number 3, promote the product to your audience using the promotional link. Number 4, start earning up to 70% and more commission right away. What is Digistore24 all about? Our highest goal is to transform the world of online business. To achieve that, we are active in several important areas at the same time. Our course business is our reseller platform where we automate the online business of tens of thousands of Digistore24 members. Concur technical abstract and advise our customers. Online money making. Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store and affiliates network. Goodla Verily. Digistore24 is a German based site which provides you affiliates links to promote one's any sales happiness through that link. You will be provided with a commission which would be in dollars. So guys, today end this video here, and don't forget our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and goodbye and take care.